English Shadow Podcast.
Hello, dear friends, and welcome to the English Shadow Podcast, a place where you can learn English step by step at your own comfortable speed.
Hi, everyone. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emma.
Today, we're going to help you feel confident at the post office or courier shop.
Our topic is sending mail, letters and packages, domestic and international, forms, options, and tracking.
We'll keep everything slow, clear, and friendly for A1, A2 learners.
Ready? Let's begin. We arrive at City Post and Parcel. I need to send a gift to my cousin in Canada.
And I need to mail a document inside the country.
Let's take a number and look at the posters. Standard, Express, and Next Day.
I also see tracking, insurance, and fragile. Good words to learn. A clerk calls, "Number 42, please." "Hello, how can I help you today?"
Hi, I'd like to send a package to Canada.
"Great. Please put it on the scale. It's 1.2 kilograms.
Is that okay?
Yes. For international shipping, we have 3 options. Standard, 7 to 10 business days, cheapest. Express, 3 to 5 business days, faster. Priority Express, 1 to 3 business days, fastest.
How much is standard?
$24. Express is $39. Priority Express, $58.
I'll choose Express, please. I need to send this document to another city.
The clerk asks, "Is it just papers?"
Yes.
Then you can use a large envelope with tracking. Next day is $12. 2-day is $8. Standard is $4 without tracking.
I'll take 2-day with tracking, please. Are there any size limits for my box?
Maximum length 60 centimeters for this service. Your box is within the limit. For both items, do you want tracking and insurance?
Tracking, yes. Insurance up to $100, please.
Tracking only for mine, please. Useful phrases. Repeat after us.
I'd like to send a package to.
What are the options and prices?
I'll choose Express, please.
The clerk explains, for international parcels, you need a customs form. It's simple.
What do I write?
Receiver's name and address. Print clearly. Contents, T-shirt and chocolate. Quantity and value, 2 items, total $20. Purpose, gift. Signature and date.
Can I write no batteries, no liquids?
Yes, that's good. Some items are restricted.
Do I need a special form for my envelope?
The clerk says, no customs for domestic mail. Just write from and to clearly. Here is a prepaid label with tracking.
The box is not fully closed yet.
We can help you pack. Use bubble wrap for protection. Then we'll add a fragile sticker.
Thank you.
Do you want signature on delivery?
Yes, please.
And do you prefer leave at door or pick up only if no one is home?
Pick up only, please.
Useful phrases. Do I need a customs form?
Please add tracking and insurance.
Can you help me pack this?
Signature on delivery, please.
The clerk says everything is ready. The express parcel to Canada is $39 plus $4 for insurance. The domestic 2-day envelope is $8.
I'll pay by card, please.
Card for mine, too. Here are your receipts and tracking numbers.
How do I track the package?
Go to our website or app. Track. Type the number. You can also scan this QR code.
When will mine arrive?
2 business days. If the receiver is not home, we leave a pickup notice with the post office address.
And my parcel to Canada?
Estimated 3 to 5 business days. If customs needs more time, it may take longer.
Can I get the receipt by email?
Of course. Please write your email here.
Done. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Useful phrases.
Can I pay by card?
Could you email the receipt?
How do I track my parcel?
2 days later, I'm checking my tracking. It says, out for delivery.
Nice. Mine says, arrived at customs. I hope it moves soon.
Don't worry. That's normal for international parcels. Later that day, oh no, I missed the delivery. The slip says, attempted delivery, pick up after 6 p.m. at main post office.
Let's go together after work.
At the pickup counter, the clerk says, hello, pickup slip and ID, please. Here you are. Thank you. Please sign here. Here's your envelope. Great. Thanks a lot.
My tracking changed to released from customs, in transit, estimated Friday.
Perfect. When your cousin gets it, ask them to sign and send a photo of the label.
Good idea.
Friends, we hope this post office conversation helps you send mail with confidence.
Try these phrases next time. I'd like to send a package to. What are the options and prices? Do I need a customs form? Please add tracking and insurance. And how do I track my parcel?
Speak clearly, write addresses in block letters, and keep your receipt. If this episode helped you, please subscribe and share it with a friend. See you next time on the English Shadow Podcast.